Number 5. Lilium Jet, the world's first all-electric vertical takeoff and landing jet. The Lilium has the benefits of a helicopter with its vertical takeoff and landing capability, but once airborne, it can still achieve 186 miles per hour with a range of 186 miles per charge. And it has great urban transit potential. The commute from Manhattan to JFK Airport, a trip that usually is just less than an hour by car, would take about 5 minutes using the Lilium Jet. Lilium recently announced a new 5-seater design, which it envisions will be used for on-demand flying taxi and ride-sharing services in the future. The Lilium Jet. Number 4. Bell's FCX-001. At the rear of the FCX-001, the tail boom has an embedded anti-torque system to improve safety, reduce noise, and increase performance. The copter's hybrid propulsion system sees advanced thermal engine cores, handling main propulsion and feeding into the electric motors that power the anti-torque system for better control and simplifying maintenance. Providing the lifting power are morphing rotor blades that can change shape for better performance under different flight conditions. Inside, there's a single pilot seat with augmented reality technology and an artificial intelligence computer system instead of a co-pilot or engineer. This allows the traditional multifunction display to be replaced and enables the aircraft to be optionally piloted, with the pilot acting more as an overseer. The FCX-001 by Bell. Number 3. The Lockheed Martin Hybrid Airship. Lockheed Martin's hybrid airship combines the upside of the airship with the ability of a hovercraft. The 300-foot-long 3-chamber helium-filled airship will act like a hovercraft while maneuvering on the ground without the need of proper runway or even fully smooth surfaces. Once airborne, it'll haul 20 tons of cargo, vehicles, mining equipment, military gear, disaster relief supplies, at speeds up to 70 miles per hour, staying aloft 1 week at a time. It promises to be more efficient in terms of both fuel use and operating costs, allowing operators to reach remote areas without the infrastructure large planes and ships demand. It's called a hybrid airship because it uses both buoyancy and aerodynamics to generate lift. The airship itself is shaped like a wing, a lifting body. That supplies 20% of the lift, with helium doing the rest. The airship can fly 1,600 miles without refueling. Boyd expects the first production version of the hybrid airship to be ready by 2019 in a 20-ton configuration, with models carrying up to 50 tons to follow. There's even room for 19 passengers. The Hybrid Airship by Lockheed Martin. Number 2. Bell's V-280 Valor. Bell Helicopter's emerging V-280 Valor aims to engineer an advanced tilt-rotor aircraft able to hit speeds of 280 knots, hover and maneuver like a next-generation helicopter, all while reducing the radar signature of the aircraft. While many of the specifics regarding stealth technology are not available, there are a few broad parameters followed closely by developers. They include reducing the heat signature coming from the engines or exhaust along with efforts to shape the exterior of the aircraft to be less detectable to pings or return signals to enemy radar. Radar sends electromagnetic signals, pulses, or pings traveling at the speed of light, bounces them off of an object, and analyzes the return signal to determine the shape, size, and speed of the enemy target. For this reason, electronic jamming is another tactic used to thwart or throw off enemy radar systems. Bell is now investigating cutting-edge engine technologies specifically designed to reduce the heat they emit. Bell's V-280 Valor. Number 1. Project Zero, electric helicopter by Augusta Westland. The helicopter of the future is going electric, but it's waiting on car makers to design the battery. Project Zero will eliminate the use of fuel. This would open the possibility of using the aircraft in low to no oxygen environments, which could range anywhere from getting close to active volcanoes to use on Mars. Internal combustion engines require oxygen to run, but an electric motor doesn't. Eventually, they hope the aircraft can be self-charging, using the rotors as windmills. Its current range is around 10 minutes of flight, but they hope that within the decade, automakers would have advanced the development of electric batteries to the point that Project Zero will travel for around 100 minutes. Project Zero by Augusta Westland. And thank you for watching.